A breathtaking aerial view of a vast American pomegranate orchard at sunrise. Thousands of healthy trees stretch across the landscape in perfectly aligned rows.
That's a premium red right there.
Noted. Logging the data now.
Keep them coming. We're almost through this lot.
All right, documents are all set. Clear for departure.
These are absolutely perfect. That deep red color is exactly what we are looking for.
See you next time.
The GPS tracking shows we are maintaining the ideal temperature and arrival time.
Check the next batch carefully for cracks. I just removed one here. The humidity levels are stable according to the screen.
We're seeing a slight spike right here at the sensor array. Yeah? It's within tolerance, but let's keep an eye on the flow rate.
Immediately after pasteurization, the juice enters a rapid cooling unit. Industrial cooling systems quickly lower the temperature to preserve freshness. The viscosity is spot on, just above 200 centipoise, and the color grading matches the golden batch. We are clear for bottling. The temperature looks stable at 40 degrees. Yes, sir, everything is running smoothly. The inventory count matches the manifest. Here are the documents for shipment 7B. Get it loaded immediately.
Got it. Bay 2.
A coordinated convoy travels across scenic landscapes. Modern logistics systems monitor every shipment in real time, ensuring remarkable efficiency.
These are the best. We grabbed 6 of them.
They really are.
Did you find everything okay?
Here you go, everyone. Looks delicious. Thank you. Cheers.
Water quality levels are stable across all parameters.
Good. The recycling systems are operating at peak efficiency.